B7. Gasping for breath. Oxygen is needed by all living things so that they can release energy from food. The body takes in oxygen through the lungs. Carbon dioxide is made when energy is released from the food in every cell. This reaction is called respiration. The carbon dioxide leaves the body through the lungs. During exercise, breathing rate rises to supply more oxygen to the muscles and to take away the extra carbon dioxide. If someone has asthma, the tubes in their lungs get narrower because the lining of the tubes swell. These tubes are called bronchioles. Air pollution and some allergies may cause asthma. An inhaler can relieve and prevent the symptoms of asthma. Smoking can cause heart diseases, it can damage the lungs, and it can cause other diseases including some cancers. Passive smoking occurs when a non-smoker breathes the smoke from other people's cigarettes.